Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the seashell crown on Dress to Impress. So first you'll need to be in the lobby and you'll need to get 3 shells. So get this one. You have to kind of go back and forth between the secret room and just place it here. That's where it is, next to the green screen. The second one is on the table near the leaderboard. And then I'm just going to jump up here again. It is a little bit tricky to do. Oh my god. Hello. Oh. There we go. And then put that here. And then last of all, it's like here near this rock. So just grab that. Let me just get that money first. That's shamoney. And then I'm going to go back up here again. And then I'm going to place it. Now I have to wait 5 minutes for the seashell crown to craft. And so it doesn't matter if you go to like a game, just don't leave the server, and I'll be back in 5 minutes from now. Then you are just going to click to collect seashell crown, and voila, you have the seashell crown. Let me just take a picture for my thumbnail. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!